Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick tutorial on how to like and reply to a note on Instagram. Before we start, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. This will help me a lot. Let's go to the video. Let's open Instagram. Click here on the Instagram Messages tab. And here, there will be several people who posted notes. I'll get a note from someone random, and I'll like it and respond. To do this, it's very simple. Just click on the note that the person posted, and the option to like that note will appear on your screen, or even you can react or respond to this note. If you react or like the note, the person will know. So you can do literally anything about the note that the person posted. Send an audio, send a photo, and to like it, just press the heart icon, and the person will know that you liked their note. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.